boys and girls, you can either tap the play or read this all by yourself. It says baking a cake is a lot of fun. First, you need to get eggs, oil, water, and cake mix from the store. Then you will measure and mix these ingredients together in a bowl. After that, you will put the mix in the oven to bake. When it is finished baking and cooling, you can ice the cake with your favorite icing. So the question is, circle the correct purpose, or what is the author's purpose? To answer the question about cake's ingredients, to describe what is in cake, to explain the steps in baking a cake. Okay, the first response to answer the question about cake's ingredients, we don't really know how the ingredients work together to make the cake, so I don't think it's the first one. To describe what is in a cake, it does tell us what's in a cake, but the last one, to explain the steps in baking a cake. If you remember, when you're explaining, you have sequencing words, and those words are like first, then, after that, and that looks like most of the sequencing words for today. So I believe the author wrote this passage to explain the steps in baking a cake. So how is the author's purpose shown? Again, the author explains something to us. Now you're going to go to the next slide, and you are going to do a passage, and you're going to listen to the passage or read it. You're going to highlight the text that supports your answer and decide if the author's purpose is to explain, to describe, or to answer a question.